Hello there, welcome back. This YouTube channel is dedicated to exploring remote job opportunities that you can pursue right from the comfort of your own home. In today's video, we're going to delve into how you can earn $45 per hour and more without needing a degree while acquiring skills in generative AI. Get comfortable, and let's explore this thrilling realm of data-driven discoveries and creativity. What is generative AI? Generative AI is a fancy term for smart computer programs that can create things on their own. It is going to be used a lot more at work by 2026. Right now, only about 5% of companies use it. But by 2026, over 80% will be using it. That's a huge increase. Because of this, there's going to be a big demand for skills like computational thinking and digital literacy. These skills are going to be super important for jobs in the future. But what exactly are they? And why are they so important? Let's find out. Computational thinking. Computational thinking entails the ability to tackle tough problems. You break down the big, daunting, complex, and technical issues into smaller, bite-sized chunks, then bust out your logical and algorithmic skills to crack the code. In short, you solve problems with computers. Digital literacy. Digital literacy is your ticket to becoming a tech-savvy pro. It's all about being able to navigate, create, and communicate effectively with digital gadgets like computers, smartphones, and the internet. With digital literacy, you're essentially the captain of the digital ship. You will become very good with computers and the internet. Put computational thinking and digital literacy together, and you've got yourself a winning combo. You're not just surfing the web anymore. You're diving deep into the digital realm, understanding its intricacies, and even shaping its future. And in a world where AI is calling the shots more and more, these skills are gold. Why are computational thinking and digital literacy important? Generative AI is changing the way we think about programming and technology. It's not just about automating repetitive tasks anymore. Now, it's coming up with brand new solutions that humans might never have dreamed up on their own. Take GPT-4, for instance. This nifty AI model from OpenAI can whip up coherent and convincing text on pretty much any topic you throw at it, just by giving it a few words or sentences to start with. But that's not all. It can also crank out code and even answer questions and more. So, what does this mean for the world of coding? Instead of writing every line of code by hand, programmers will start using generative AI tools to help them out. These tools will do everything from creating and tweaking code to making sure it's top-notch in terms of quality, security, and ethics. And here's the really exciting part. Thanks to generative AI, programming will become more accessible to everyone. You won't need to be a coding wizard to build your own apps, websites, or content. With just a basic understanding of computational thinking and digital literacy, anyone will be able to dive in and start creating awesome stuff without ever touching a keyboard. Therefore, computational thinking and digital literacy are essential skills for anyone who wants to stay relevant and irreplaceable in the age of generative AI. They will enable you to understand how generative AI works and what are its capabilities and limitations. Use generative AI tools effectively and efficiently, and to evaluate and improve their outputs. Create and communicate with generative AI content, and integrate it with other digital technologies. Solve complex and novel problems with generative AI, innovate and collaborate with others. Google is there to offer a learning path to generative AI, and it's free. You choose your learning path, build your skills, and validate your knowledge. All in one place. The learning path to generative AI offered by Google typically provides a completion badge rather than a formal certificate upon finishing the course. This completion badge can be added to your LinkedIn profile, Upwork profile, Fiverr profile, your portfolio, and your resume to showcase your accomplishment and understanding of generative AI concepts. While it may not be a formal certificate, it still signifies your completion of the learning path and can be valuable for demonstrating your skills and expertise in the field. With this learning path to generative AI, you get access to high-quality educational resources without spending a dime. It's a fantastic opportunity to enhance your skills at no cost. This learning path provides an overview of generative AI concepts, from the fundamentals of large language models to responsible AI principles. With this learning path, you can explore cutting-edge technology. You'll dive into the exciting world of AI, particularly focusing on generative AI. It's a chance to understand one of the most groundbreaking technologies shaping our future. No prior experience needed. Don't worry if you're new to AI. This learning path is designed for beginners, so you don't need any prior experience or technical knowledge. It's a great opportunity to start learning from scratch. Learn from Google experts. Who better to learn from than the experts themselves? Google's courses are developed by product experts, ensuring you get top-notch education directly from those who know the subject best. Flexible learning. The courses are online and self-paced, meaning you can learn at your own convenience. Whether you're a busy professional or a student with a packed schedule, you can fit learning into your life without added stress. Boost your career. As AI becomes more prevalent across industries, knowing generative AI can give you a competitive edge in the job market. Completing this learning path and gaining certification can open doors to exciting career opportunities. Apply what you learn. The skills you'll acquire are not just theoretical. You'll learn practical skills that you can immediately apply in real-world scenarios. Whether it's in your current job or future endeavors, the knowledge you gain will be invaluable. Join a growing field. Interest in generative AI is skyrocketing, and companies are actively seeking professionals with expertise in this area. By completing this learning path, you position yourself at the forefront of a rapidly growing field with endless possibilities. Overall, applying for the Introduction to Generative AI learning path from Google is an excellent opportunity to learn, grow, and stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of AI. Job opportunities. By completing the Introduction to Generative AI learning path from Google, you can equip yourself with foundational knowledge and skills in generative AI, opening up various job opportunities in the field. Some potential job roles you could apply for, starting as an intern, include AI researcher, conduct research and develop new generative AI models and algorithms. Machine learning engineer, build and deploy machine learning systems, including generative models, for various applications. Data scientist, analyze large data sets to extract insights and develop AI-driven solutions, including generative models for data generation. AI product manager, manage the development and deployment of AI products, including those leveraging generative AI technologies. Software engineer, AI/ML focus, develop software applications and systems that incorporate generative AI capabilities. AI consultant, provide expert advice and guidance on AI strategy, implementation, and optimization, including generative AI solutions. AI ethics specialist, ensure the responsible and ethical development and deployment of AI systems, including generative models. UX/UI designer, AI focus, design user interfaces and experiences for AI-powered applications, including those utilizing generative AI. AI educator or trainer, teach and train others in AI concepts and techniques, including generative AI, through educational programs or workshops. Or just become a more skilled content creator. Generative AI allows creators to explore new creative territories by using AI algorithms to generate unique content. Generative AI can be used in various creative fields such as art, music, and literature to generate new and original content. Acquired skills in generative AI keep creators ahead of industry trends and competitive in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. It sets you apart from the rest of the crowd, and you will expand your skill set. These are just a few examples. and the demand for skills in generative AI is expected to grow across various industries, including technology, healthcare, finance, entertainment, and more. So, keep that curiosity burning bright, because every discovery is a chance to shape your future in amazing ways. With endless possibilities stretching out before you, there's no telling what you can achieve. Dive in, keep learning, and get ready to release your potential to the world. And that's it for today. Don't forget to check out the description box with all the information you need to enhance your skills in generative AI. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video.